Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're going to do Let 'Em Know by T.I. All right, it's from the A, so I'm excited to show this one. It is a 4/8 count line dance, and it's two walls, front and back. Now it's only 4/8 counts, but it feels like more because there's a lot of steps on the end. But I'm going to count it out for you so you won't be lost. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow, right? This is my right. This is my left. First 8 count, we're going to grapevine left and then right. So you're going to step left, left, tap, right, tap. Okay? Try it again. Ready? Left, left, tap, out, cross, out, tap. Okay? And the count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's fast, all right? You notice the and beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's how fast it is. Out, cross, out, tap, out, cross, out, tap. Okay? From here, you're going to go up with 3 steps. Left, left. And you're going to brush it a little bit. Left, brush, roll, roll. Okay, so we just went left, tap, right, tap, forward, 2, 3, brush, roll, and roll. Okay, and the count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, brush 7, 8. Okay, so roll on the last 2 counts. So it's 5 and 6, brush 7, 8. And that brush is very subtle, okay? So we're just going 5 and 6, 7, 8, right? Just bringing that foot forward on that and beat, okay? All right, so let's do that first 8 count and then we'll go on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay? All right, second count. So we're here. And we're going to step with our right foot. We're going to rock up 1 and 2 and. So rock up and then to the center. So it's right, center. And then you're going to rock back with the right foot. Right, center. Okay? And the count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? And from here, you're going to do a full turn. You're going to pivot around your right foot. You're going to pivot around your left foot. You're going to use your right to get around. You got 4 counts to get it around. Okay. So we just went right, left, left, and turn 6, 7, 8. Okay. So rock up, tap, center, rock back, tap, center, then turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. And the count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try those first 2 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, now third count of 8. Let's see. Where are we? We just turned around. So we're going to step with our left and 1. So it's left, right, and 1 and 2. From here, you're going to with the left foot and 3 and 4. So out, in, out, in. So left, right, out, in, out, in. And it's that fast. All right, let me count it for you. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? So we just went 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And then from here, to finish out this third count of 8, you're going to do the basic steps. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that's that. Kick down, out, step, kick down, out, step. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. What am I doing? Y'all know how to do that, all right? So, third count of 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, out, in. Basic step. Okay? So let's do those 3 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and turn 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. How are we doing? Good, I hope. All right. Last count of 8. You're going to start with the left. You're going to slide left, slide right, and then wiggle. 2 rolls, 2 butt rolls. And then you're going to slide right, slide left. You're going to pick your right foot up and do an about face, half turn to the back wall. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it again. Slide left, slide right, and wiggle, wiggle, slide right, slide left, turn around. Okay? All right, so let's try those 4 counts of 8 together. We'll go slow with it, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and turn 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around. 7, 8. That is the end. That's the dance. You just do it again on the back wall. We'll do it. We'll pick up the pace. Okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up and roll it. Up and back and turn, 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 turn. Left, right, out, in, left, right, right. Slide, slide, wiggle it, slide, slide, turn around. I don't know why these hips ain't trying to wiggle today. All right, guys, so that is the line dance. If this was helpful for you, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Send me a comment. Let me know what you think. And let me know what you'd like to see. All right, so until next time, y'all take care. Mwah.